Do you remember that famous drink that we did that was a huge smash with the Australians? It was the Cola Down Under.
Oh, yeah, we made them so mad.
No, they really liked it.
No, they didn't.
It's like their national drink.
No, actually, they told us repeatedly that they would never, ever drink that drink.
They said we should try Dark and Stormy.
Okay, I'm ready.
I wanted to play with this one a little bit, make it a tall Dark and Stormy, but I didn't.
Let's just go with the original.
We'll do the pure Dark and Stormy, and then we'll do the tall Dark and Stormy.
Let's just do a Dark and Stormy.
Let's do a Dark and Stormy.
Sounds good.
That was my idea.
No, it wasn't.
So somebody said we had to get Pilar, or there was another one, Grundeberg, Bandeberg, Berdeberg, Sumdeberg, Hamburg, I don't know. But this is all I could find in our town in Virginia. So yeah, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this guy.
That is the coolest little bottle, though. Yeah, I feel like I'm not gonna like this.
It's rum and ginger ale. So, a lot of the Australians told me that you have to do dark rum, not spiced rum. 4 ounces of Gosling's ginger beer. Somebody said it had to be Gosling's, so.
I love ginger beer. Oh, it smells good. Like, really good.
All right, so 1.5 ounces of Pilar or dark rum, 4 ounces of ginger beer, Dark and Stormy.
Wow.
And I do not like ginger beer.
That is fantastic. I just want to apologize to the Australians for ever saying that you drink that other horrible drink. This is so much better. Thank you for sending this to us. Wow.